Okay, good morning. This is model number 3 of your computer integrated manufacturing, that is group technology and flexible manufacturing system. See, in this first, it is very important to learn what is group technology. See, group technology, it is a manufacturing technology in which the similar parts are grouped together to make the advantage of their similarities in design and production. See, for example, there are say around 100 components. Out of these 100 components, on 10 components, we have to do the turning operation. And on some 10 components, we have to do the drilling operation. Means here the operation is remaining same for the 10 components. So what we'll do in the group technology, we'll identify those components and we'll group them together. Okay, the components which are to be turned are grouped together as a one part family, and which are to be drilled are grouped together as another part family. So here in this group technology, the parts are arranged together to the part families, and each part family consists of a similar design or a manufacturing characteristics. See, even you can part components based on their design. Say 10 shafts are circular, okay, and 10 shafts are rectangular. Then you can, based on their appearance, you can group them together as a different part families. See, use of this group technology, okay, whatever the grouping the components or part families, this group technology is used in your FMS, which is nothing but flexible manufacturing system. See, this flexible manufacturing system means what? It is a use of group technology, and it will be a sophisticated manufacturing system. Sophisticated manufacturing system in the sense it is a highly automated system which will be including CNC machines and distributed computer control. Almost all the operations will be controlled through uh, computers, okay, and there will not be any direct interface of the man in the processing. Only will be controlled through the computer, and whatever the material handling system will be used here is also a automated one. The automated material handling and storage system is used in the flexible manufacturing system. Okay, the flexible manufacturing system is nothing but it is a highly automated system which uses a group technology and also uses a CNC machines, and as well as automated material handling and storage system. Okay, so where this flexible manufacturing system is used, okay, or what is the reason for this automation or flexible manufacturing system? See, this reason for automation we have studied in model number 1, uh, just just to increase the labor productivity, to reduce the labor cost, okay, and to reduce the manufacturing lead time, to improve the product quality, okay, and to increase the worker safety, okay. So if there are some hazardous atmosphere in the working place, where the human cannot reach and do the operations, there you can use the machines or you can use the robots which will be done by your automation. Okay, so these are the main reasons of automation or flexible manufacturing system. See, next, where this flexible manufacturing system is used. See, you know this graph, okay. I think these are the types of automation: programmable automation, flexible automation, and fixed automation. Draw the graph of production quantity and production variety. Then you will get this graph. The flexible automation, where the flexible automation industry is using the flexible automation, there the flexible manufacturing system lies. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Or else if you see the types of productions, The fixed automation is used in mass production. The flexible automation is used in batch production. The programmable automation used in unit production. Okay. So here in flexible manufacturing system, where the flexible automation is used, it is the components will be produced in the batches. Okay, the components will be produced in the batches. That you have to remember. Next is the history. Who has determined this flexible manufacturing system? There is a person called as David Williamson. He's a British engineer who actually invented this concept called flexible manufacturing system, and later that all the industries started implementing this flexible manufacturing system. Usually this flexible manufacturing system is very useful in automobile industries, where the production will be done in batches. Okay, and what is this FMS? Just now I have given the definition. This FMS is a highly automated GT machine shell. GT is nothing but your group technology, consisting of a group of processing workstations. See, usually the workstations will be having a CNC machines. Again, the CNC machines are nothing but the automated machines which are used for various purposes like turning, machining, finishing, all those things. And usually the program will be written. Okay, the working of this CNC machine, what are the types, that we will study in module number 4. Okay, how to write the program also. The use of CNC machine will be there in the flexible manufacturing system, followed by automated material handling and the storage system. And always remember, there is no direct control of the man in the flexible manufacturing system. The control will be done through the computer system. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, this is again what is this FMS and all. The FMS relies on the principle of group technology. All those concepts, the same concepts which I explained just now. Now, what are the characteristics of this FMS? Okay, see, the characteristics are two types, there are two characteristics. One characteristics is the cost, the investment cost of this system will be very high. If you want to use the flexible manufacturing system, then the capital investment will be very high, because you have to purchase a new equipments which will be convenience for the automated material handling and the storage system to handle the parts automatically. Okay, like you have to purchase the CNC machines if the CNC machines are not available in the plant previously. Okay, so that is why the investment cost will be very high. If the material handling and storage is done manually, then you have to purchase the automatic material handling and storage system, which will be again invest you a lot of cost. And if you see the technology wise, it is a more sophisticated technology. That is another characteristics. It is a very high sophisticated technology in any automobile industry. If the flexible manufacturing system is there, then it will give you the lot of flexibility. Okay, the what makes it flexible, the which kind of industries can implement this flexible manufacturing systems. There are three types. If the industries are capable of going for the quick changeover of the operating instructions, then you can go for the flexible manufacturing system. Or even if you are capable of going for the quick changeover of your physical setup, then again you can go for the flexible manufacturing system. Okay, and the ability to identify and the distinguish among the different parts, this is again your group technology. Okay, this is what makes the system flexible. Next is the types of FMS. There are different types of FMSs. Okay, again the classification will be different. uh, the classification will be like this. First one will be processing operation and second one is assembly operation. Again, the FMS can be classified in two types based on number of machines in a flexible manufacturing system and level of flexibility. At what extent the flexibility is adopted or it is accessible, based on that and based on the number of machines. And the processing operations, assembly operations, these are the normal operations in any kind of industries if you go. Okay, now we'll see the classification based on the number of machines. See, based on the number of machines, there are three types. One is a single machine cell, which is called as SMC. Second one is flexible machine cell, which is FMC, and flexible manufacturing system itself. Okay, so what is this single machine cell? It consists of a one CNC machining center combined with the parts storage system for the unattended operations. Okay, it will be having a single machine. Usually when you talk about the machine in FMS, it will be a CNC machine. Please remember this. Whenever you talk about the machines in FMS, it will be a CNC machine. It will be having only one machining center, and if there are the parts which are unmachined, they can be stored there only. Okay, so that is called as a single machine cell. Then what is this flexible machine cell? The flexible machine cell will be consisting of two or more processing workstations. Okay, so typically again the CNC machines or the turning centers, and also this will be followed by the automatic part handling system. If it is a one machine, then it is a single machine cell. If it is a two or three, then it is called a flexible machine cell. If it is four or more, then it is called as a flexible manufacturing system. Okay, so these are the three types based on the number of machines. See here, understanding between this flexible machine cell and the flexible manufacturing system. The difference between flexible machine cell and flexible manufacturing system is very important. It is again very simple. The flexible machine cell will be having two or three machines. Okay, the flexible machine cell will be having two or three machines, while the flexible manufacturing system will be having four or more machines. Okay, and like the lot of flexible machine cells will join together and they will form the flexible manufacturing system. The like in the flexible machine cell, two or three machines will be there. Like this, again, two or three flexible machine cells will combine together. They will become a flexible manufacturing system. The flexible manufacturing system will be having four or more machines. See, usually the flexible manufacturing system will be including non-processing workstations like your CMM. What is the CMM? I think you might have already studied in your metrology and measurements. The coordinate measurement machines, which is a non-processing workstation. Okay, the flexible manufacturing system will be including these kinds of workstations. Okay, next one is level of flexibility. Based on the level of flexibility, there are two types. One is dedicated FMS. Second one is random order FMS. What is this dedicated FMS? The name itself indicates dedicated, means it will be dedicated for a particular part of or particular type of components or particular type of operations. Random order FMS means it is not a dedicated one. It can be used for the other varieties of the machining. Okay. For example, if you see the graph again, flexibility or part variety and the production rate. In case of your dedicated FMS, the production rate will be more, but the variety will be okay. It is